Hi viewers, welcome to our channel, Divya English Speaking Academy. These are our online students joining from different states. I think it's good to know first of all about them. You can introduce yourself, dear students, giving a short introduction. Your name, your place name, how old are you, which school do you study?
My name is Anirudh Singh. I'm from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. My school name is Dr. Viren Sarup Education Center, Shamnagar, Kanpur. And I'm studying class 7. And my section is B. Nice to meet you. Thank you, sir.
Janani.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is G. Jenny. I'm studying 4th standard. I'm 8 years old. I'm from Chennai. My school name is MCC Public School. I want to become a doctor.
Okay, very
Nice to
good.
talk to you, sir.
Nice to talk to you too. Anushka.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Anushka Shrasthav. I am from Bangalore. My school name is Gitanjali Olympiad School. I study in second class. I am 7 years old.
Okay, very good. So these students learning English through this online class and then joining from different states. Nice to see all of them in this evening time. So first of all, I will ask some questions to them, and then after that I will assign a topic for the conversation. They can continue for the conversation. My first question to Anushka is, can you make 6 sentences?
Of which sentence, sir?
Your sentence is, Mohan writes a letter, and this is present indefinite tense. Can you make 6 sentences by using this tense?
Okay, sir. Mohan writes a letter. Mohan does not write a letter. Does Mohan write a letter? Doesn't Mohan write a letter? When does Mohan write a letter? When doesn't Mohan write a letter?
Very good. Excellent. Next sentence I give you. They play cricket every day. Can you make 6 sentences also? This is present indefinite tense.
Okay, sir. They play cricket every day. They do not play cricket every day. Do they play cricket every day? Do they not play cricket every day? When do they play cricket every day? When do they not play cricket every day?
Very good. Very good. Now I ask you from Hindi to English that do you really understand? In English also these sentences and in Hindi also. Example. क्या अनुरुद्ध सिंह भोजपुरी नहीं जानता है?
Does Anuj Singh not know Bhojpuri?
Very good. Very good. Okay, आपके पापा कब उठते हैं?
When does your father get up?
Very good. Excellent. Nice. Okay, next Anuruddh Singh.
Yes, sir.
Okay, as you know that we are learning present indefinite tense these days in this online
sir.
class.
Yes, sir.
So I'm going to ask you also to make 6 sentences. Make sure that you make it very carefully. So your sentence is, Rahul plays hockey.
Rahul plays hockey. Rahul doesn't play hockey. Does Rahul play hockey? Does Rahul not play hockey? When does Rahul play hockey? When does Rahul not play hockey?
Okay, very good. Now let's go for the conversation practice. I think so. You are free to ask any questions to anyone. Firstly, Janani will ask questions to both of you. And any topics, any questions. So go ahead, Janani.
Go to school every day. When does she not go to school every day? Very good. And do you like summer season? I like winter season and summer season both. But I like winter season too much in Shimla.
Yes, we can hear now. Wait.
Okay, and which is your favorite book? My favorite book is horror books. Horror books and horror books. Are they dangerous? Huh? Are they dangerous? No, they are not dangerous. There are stories, some too much horror. Sometimes when I never brought that book to my room. I got to play at 8 o'clock at p.m. Okay. And how long do you play? For 1 hour.
Okay, now Anur Singh will ask questions to you, then we will end this conversation.
Anushka? Yes? The, with, with whom do you go to morning walk? No, I don't go to morning walk. Okay. In your family, anyone go to morning walk? No, I go to school. If anyone in your family go to morning walk? No. Why? Because they don't have time. They do their work. My grandfather goes to the near to the pull, then go to the 400 kilometers ground to 4 rounds, and after that at 5 o'clock they come.
And Janani will ask now five questions to all of you.
Okay, sir. Hi, Anilat Singh. Hi, Janani. How are you? I'm fine, Janani. And how are you, Janani? I'm fine, Anilat. Okay. Do you want to ask a GK question? I asked a GK question to you. Yes, you asked. Yes, you asked. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. No. Woman. No. Jawaharlal Nehru. No. I answer. Yes. India Gandhi.
So fine, dear students. Nice talking to you. See you now on Monday.